Controlling acid reflux using natural home remedies. With acid reflux causing so many significant problems for so many Americans, it is very important to ensure you can find relief as quickly as possible. What many people do not realize is that it is possible to find relief from the pain that acid reflux causes quite quickly as long as you know where to look. Of course, there are plenty of medications that you can purchase, however these tend to be extremely expensive, in addition to the fact that they are also accompanied by a large number of side effects. This combined with a rather large price tag for all of the treatment means it can be extremely difficult to even afford the relief. Home remedies are fabulous for acid reflux because there are several options to try out. This can range from the extremely simple, to those techniques that are a bit more advanced. In order to find the best solution for your needs, it is important to ensure you try out several different methods. This will allow you to really find which method is best for you. If you are interested in preventing acid reflux before it even starts, you should seriously consider the foods that you are eating. By adjusting your diet and omitting foods that are extremely spicy, you can typically lower the occurrence of acid reflux. However, it is also extremely important to ensure that you are not missing out on the foods that you really enjoy. If you happen to discover that there are several foods you thoroughly enjoy which tend to aggravate, then you can always try taking 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses each day. Blackstrap molasses is available at most health stores and it is extremely effective in helping to reduce the occurrence of acid reflux. Other ways to help reduce the amount of reflux you suffer from is to reduce the size of your meals. If you are only eating 2 or 3 large meals each day, you will have significantly more difficulties lowering your symptoms. An easy way to lower your symptoms is to break your meals down into 6 or even 7 substantially smaller meals. By doing this, you are putting less pressure on your stomach, and helping to soothe the occurrence of acid reflux. It is also helpful to adjust your bed a bit. If you are able to raise the angle of your bed by only 6 inches or so, you can significantly reduce the amount of acid that is attempting to move up your body. This can be extremely helpful if you are finding yourself continuously suffering symptoms while you are trying to sleep. Not everyone finds this to be helpful, but for people who suffer acid reflux symptoms while they are trying to sleep, it can be a significant help. Other suggestions to follow include looking to see if you can add more apples into your diet. If you consume an apple after each meal, it is said to substantially lower the amount of acid that you have in your stomach. By eating more apples as well, you are able to also add better foods to your diet, but it is important to ensure that you are eating the apple raw, rather than cooking it before eating. As you can see, there are several different options available for you to help improve your overall health. Getting the most out of your life is not impossible. Lowering the amount of acid reflux you suffer from really is possible, but it will take a good bit of effort on your behalf. Acid reflux is much better handled when you are making changes to your lifestyle and using natural home remedies to treat it. The time and expense that is associated with medical treatments is never any fun. This can all be avoided simply by looking towards some extremely effective home remedies and trying to ensure that you are thoroughly satisfied with how you feel.